I'm Thomas and I make stuff. And today it's finally the day. It's clampy time. Oh yes, you guessed it right. Today I'll be making the clamps a little bit better. I've got this clamp right here. It works fine, apart from one thing. This wooden blob right here, it's stuck on the threaded rod. And that means that when I rotate this threaded rod to clamp things, right, the wooden blob rotates as well. And that's no good because then it starts to slip and it starts to do all kinds of stupid things that just they're not good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna put some magnets inside there and widen the hole a little bit, and then I can put the thread rod in there, and then it can rotate freely, and it holds it in place because of the magnets. I hope this kind of works, and that the magnets don't break and that the magnets are strong enough because we'll see, mate, we'll see. We'll just go ahead and just we'll do the thing, okay? I've taken off my 4 little blobs of wood. I'm gonna put some glue in there, put some magnets in there, a little protective piece of steel, just like that. Make sure that's nice and flat on the bottom. Voila, that's it. Let's do that 3 more times. So we got this threaded rod stuff that needs to go inside those holes, but yeah, it can't really rotate freely at this point because of the threads. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take the angle grinder and for like 1 centimeter or something, I'm gonna grind off all of those threads. That should be totally fine, and then it should be able to rotate, and then we have good clamps instead of the bad clamps that we had before, that we still have. Well, no, now we don't have clamps because I've destroyed them. Anyway, let's go. Please don't do what I just did. We're all finished up. Unfortunately, I can't check if they work yet because the glue still needs to dry. So we'll wait for that. Yeah, you don't have to wait. A few hours of headbanging later. It's been a few hours and this one's dry. Yep, it is dry. So let's try it out. That's promising. Yes, it works. It's nice. Okay, cool. Before I'm gonna put this on the clamps, I'm gonna bring another little change to our clamps. I'm gonna put a little piece of wood to grip, a little grippy thingy. I'll go grab the clamps, and then you'll understand. Got the clamp, and I'll be grabbing one of these little pieces of wood. I'll glue them on top of there just like a so that there's a piece of wood on the top. That's not gonna damage anything. That's all. Nearly done! Now we need to wait for everything to dry. Yay! No, actually, no yay. I have nothing. Well, I actually do have stuff to, but no. Oh, I don't. Oh. Now it's gonna be fun because it's a few hours later and it's dry. So I take clamp, screw it in. Put blop on top. Whoa! There was like iron dust things in here from doing the angle grinder stuff with the threaded rod, and yeah, and now it was like sticking to the magnets. It was super cool. Whatever. Now we turn. It's a little bit wobbly because it's, yeah, but that's fine. And now we see it works. Yes, it does. Nice. Yeah, it's working beautifully. It's a tiny little bit crooked. That's fine though, because I can make another set of clamps if these were to ever break, but right now they work fine, so I'm not gonna do that just quite yet. If you have any ideas for content, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to smash that like button, click that notification bell icon thingy, and subscribe, because I need subscribers pronto. See you guys next week. Meanwhile, I'll be breaking this piece of wood. I don't know, I'm actually want to break this piece of wood, so I'm gonna stop.